talking about my favorite product, Veleño Snack. I love eating this product because it's natural, fresh, and enriched with vitamins and minerals. Besides, it is sweet, a bit crunchy, and smooth at the same time. Although it makes me feel very good every time I try it. Although its packing could be better as it is made of plastic, which endangers our environment. This product is made in my region, where the sweetest and most natural guavas are grown. That's why it has the designation of origin. I prefer it because it's healthier and has many benefits for adults and children. If it had kept its previous presentation, it would have been much more ecological since guava was biodegradable and did not harm the soil and water sources. Furthermore, if a wider variety of flavors had been implemented, Veleño Snack would have resonated throughout the world. Flavors such as blueberry, coconut, arequipe, blackberry, among others, would have become a brand of our country. Unfortunately, due to pests and high cost of sugar, the production of this delicious product has had to go through many problems. On the other hand, our region produces a wide variety of sweet products, which means that Veleño has to compete to lead this important industry. I feel so proud about this product because it gives us energy and is natural. Besides that, it is an important source of employment for the region, and if the product had been promoted a few years ago, it would undoubtedly have been one of our country's leading industries. Thank you so much.